is Odia Ogagaroganekos time. I'm from Nigeria. I came to study in this institute. It's a very good institute where I study Microsoft professional, and I study hotel management and operation. Indeed, I have been a super in the field of hospitality since I had this certificate. I'm running as a position of a duty manager in my company, and I've been doing very good and bravo. If you happen to study with this institute, you will be the best of all. All the trainer, the lecturers, they are all good, they are all perfect, they did well, indeed, they are the best. So I wish everybody who wish to join them to study here all the best, like I wish myself. Thank you so much.